quadruple blend. So how much piece of lime for cooking? The two of them reach. I wonder if the two of them reach. Cause the two of them reach. I wonder if they reach. Come and get some teeth, some new dentures from all the cupcakes then that I sell. It'll give me error though. It'll give me error. I don't know if I want to keep in the dentures. I've been baking all night. All night I've been baking. I don't get any rest whatsoever. My foot then swell up. My teeth are bother me. Everything just bother me. My teeth are bother me. Everything bother me. I think I got tired vanilla biscuit because I hear say cake reach in the United States and it ain't supposed to. You know, I got to take out my dentures. Cause them bother me. Vanilla biscuit supposed to come. I have my palettes ready. I have my palette ready. My palette ready. My palette ready. Cupcakes me ship out. Cupcakes me ship out. She reach already. She reach already. Hold on, vanilla biscuit. Hold on. Hold on. May I talk to the jury then? She reach already. My palette ready with my cupcake then. I'm gonna make my new boiled egg rum cake. Look at this. Look at this. All night, me been baking. Me not get no sleep whatsoever. Me tired. And my foot swell. Me tired. And cake make it in a United States. After me, chocolate, vanilla biscuit. For put out a cease and desist. Cake reach in a United States. Understand? So what kind of attorney that? What kind of attorney that? She have to make me know what I want. Because I hear a cake there, all 50 states. And I have to ship my own them, go Jamaica. No room, no left in I state them over here for me. At Jamaica, I have to send my cupcakes them. And them get stuck in I-14 parishes down there. You understand? So me is not a very happy master baker today. You hear? She ring the doorbell. She makes you turn up out there in the coal. She take in coal. She take in coal. You understand? She make them buy me new teeth and then not fit. My teeth them don't fit. I have to put them in the water, make them soak and come down to size. What kind of liar that? Me day here I make me quadruple blend. This is not triple blend. This is quadruple blend. You hear? Make me go inside door. Before she turn it out like a snowflakes out there. Well, you know, me say my foot swell up. My foot swell up because all night me did a bake. Hold on! Hold on! Me coming! Oh, my body dropped from baking, you know. My body dropped from baking. Hold on, me coming. Me coming. Me bake till me get big foot. Hold on, me coming. Me bake till me get big foot. Hold on. Me bakes. Me not in no mood for biscuit. What?
Hi.
Hi.
Master Baker.
Hi.
You look like you're not in a good mood today.
Me not in a no good mood. Me not in a no good mood. Me hear say it cake them make it in America. And then they're supposed to make it in America.
Okay.
How comes them make it in America? Fimi cupcake then get stuck in I 14 parishes them down at Jamaica. Then that it was spread out in I parish. Then get stuck right in I middle I parish. And planka bars cake them. They all over the place. Them a run up and down pan legs. Every state they in. You understand? All night me not sleep. My foot swell up. My body drop. I bake. My palate ready. My palate ready.
The palate's ready.
Yeah, my palate ready, but it's all good. I'm going to stuck with the other palate then.
It's not going to stuck with the other palates.
It
No. It's
go on, Biscuit. Just go on.
Right.
Go on in the kitchen. Go look for my palate. Because they're ready. It's ready. You understand? Oh, when I know my body and my foot. When I know my foot,
Need some help?
I'm a yai. When I know my yai, you know what I mean? Always something. Always something. Always. Yeah. Always something. Me not please. Me not please.
I see you've been doing some baking.
Me not why you talk to me vanilla biscuit. Because I know one cake from Planka Bars reacher. I know one. A Wally preacher.
Okay. So let me tell you what happened.
What happened?
The thing is, we don't have to worry. Right now it's Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving's not the big thing. Christmas is the big thing. So what happened is I posted it. I posted the cease and desist letter on my Facebook page.
But Jesus Christ. All on the biscuit. So you turn like you're a fool liar then?
No.
After me tell you to send it in an email or mail, you put it on your page, Jesus Christ. Now my belly hurt me.
No. So I realized a mistake that I made. That's why I wanted to come talk to you today. So I'm gonna send it with DHL to both Planka Boss and Your Majesty. So
When it
that
ever
they will
reach?
get it, I will have it so that they have to sign for the package. They have to sign for the package.
But you
They
know, sir,
have to go sign.
but what may I get upset for? Because at Christmas,
At
no want to win.
Christmas, you want to win, not Thanksgiving. So you still have time. Your pallets can still go out in abundance. I see you already have a pallet ready.
You want to try one of my cupcakes?
Sure.
You want to try one of my cupcakes?
Sure.
Yeah, try one of my cupcake here.
All right. But there's no cupcake in here.
Something in there, though. Something in there.
There's a piece of paper.
Yeah, read it. Something in there. Read it.
Fill my cup, Lord. I lift it up, Lord.
You have to teach your customer them to have faith. Them have to have faith. And not everybody ever get one cupcake. Me not no staff. And me alone.
Oh.
So you never know where you can get in your cup. You understand? Some of them are just get cupcake. Some of them are just get cupcake. See? Cupcake. But you don't know what God can put in your cup. You understand?
Okay.
So you have to teach your customer them to have faith. And not everybody are going lucky to get a cupcake, even though they pay for your cupcake. You see that better than a cupcake. Because if you ask God to fill your cup, you don't know where might put in there. You don't know. He could have put some alizé in there. You know what I mean?
Oh,
He could have put some Don Perignon. You don't know when you can put in there.
You can put money.
Anything can go in there.
Yeah.
When you do that.
Yeah.
And me not on a staff. I'm me alone. So I have to teach my customer them to have faith.
Yes.
You understand? So me no want you
me to
think.
put this
Me
back
no
in
want
there?
you think say no cupcake not in there. So a foolishness. You understand?
Uh-huh.
It have something in there was priceless. Fill my cup. Yeah. Some of them are going to get fill my cup, Lord, and some of them are going to get cupcake.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
You have to learn the business in a biscuit.
Okay.
You
All
have
right.
to learn the business.
All right.
Yeah. You have to learn the damn business.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me no want you look at me like me crazy.
No.
Me been doing this for years. Years me been doing
Years.
this. Yeah.
I
Planka
see that
Boss.
you're a master
Planka
at
Boss
baking.
and Chris not have that.
No.
They not
don't.
have the faith cup. They don't have the fake cup.
They don't have the fake cup.
They don't have the fake cup. I me alone in our business have the fake cup.
You're in a class of your own.
Yeah, me in our class by my own. So them I send out cake. I have people I send out cupcake. I waste of time that. Send them a fake cup. Send them a fake cup. Send them a fake cup. Nothing better than a fake cup.
Nothing's better than a fake
Yeah,
cup.
and you like me? You like me new?
Yes, yes.
This,
Oh, I see you did the egg cake.
yeah, this is the egg, the boiled egg, rum cake. And I'm make quadruple blend. Midnight quadruple blend.
Quadruple blend?
Quadruple blend.
Oh.
You see Planka Boss of triple blend. Quadruple blend. Me have. You hear? Me have to have one up on her.
You have to have one up.
Yeah. And for me one, I put tea in that, you know. Because me in a tea business.
Oh, you put tea?
Yeah, me in a tea business. You see, you just broke up couple pieces of mint tonight. Yeah, man. You broke up some mint tonight. When you're in a tea business, you know them cure all kind of sickness. You see, corona and then sitting there. You don't get corona when you drink this, you know.
Oh, okay.
You don't get corona.
You don't get corona.
No, you don't get no corona. Yeah. So, we are talking now, but we talk about on Jamaica.
So I'm not really worried about Miss Richie. I have a little something special for Miss Richie.
What you have for Miss Richie?
Would you like to see it?
Mister, what you have for Miss Richie?
I heard Miss Richie likes chocolates.
So you got bribe her?
Now I got bribe Miss Richie.
Yeah.
With some Ferrero Rocher chocolates.
Yeah, I got bribe her.
Now I got bribe Miss Richie.
A good idea.
Throw the kiss. For me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because she have a lot more experience than me.
Yeah.
So, now I got bribe Miss Richie. Nobody can rough with Miss Richie. Can't mess with Miss Richie when it comes to chocolate.
That's very smart. May I think about keep your on the case. Because that's very, very smart.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So me can't... Hold on. Me can't sneak out one out of it?
No.
Miss Richie,
no. Miss Richie.
Because I like it too.
No. This is special for Miss Richie, just so she'll throw the case first. If there's one missing, there's a chance she might say no. We took.
But you know what? You know what? This vanilla biscuit, me find a great detective.
You did.
Yes, what me think I can work for it.
Okay.
Yeah, me find a great detective. She named Amazing Gracie.
Amazing Gracie.
Amazing Gracie.
Tell me about Amazing Gracie.
Bust any case.
Really?
So she can find out why Planka can't make it over here in our first place. Me know no Christmas, but me want to find out before Christmas. You understand?
Yeah.
How we can prevent it. And me think she can help with. She will bust any case.
Okay. Her name is Amazing Gracie?
Amazing Gracie. Like the song, Amazing Grace, how sweet the song. Yes, she named Grace. Bust any case.
Bust any case.
Yes. Want me tell you? Why me know?
Yeah. Please,
Let me tell you
some
something.
more. Tell me some more.
She, one Sunday, Planka Boss, come home from church. And one big, let me talk about one big, humongous bulldog try to bite off Auntie Dana ears, Planka Boss ears.
Really?
Yeah. Try to bite off Planka Boss ears. Yeah.
Bulldog is her name?
Big bulldog.
Same bulldog?
She big like one donkey. A donkey size bulldog.
A donkey size bulldog.
Donkey size bulldog.
Oh.
And she tried to bite Planka Boss. And they sent out a search team to try to locate her. Nobody couldn't find her. Nobody. Amazing Gracie get panic case.
Okay.
And Amazing Gracie locate her. You hear? Locate her. Right now she lock up in the dog pound.
She's in the dog pound?
She in her dog pound. Then put her in her dog pound.
Bulldog is in the dog pound.
Yeah, then put her in her dog pound. And she have one big old sore upon her. Yeah. And she mangy.
She has a sore on where?
Yeah.
Weird.
Upon her foot.
On her foot?
Yes, and she mangy. But she in her pound. Because she used to run on and bite up people. You know.
Really?
And I just Planka Boss, she tried to bite up.
No?
No, she tried to bite up whole heap of somebody. And nobody couldn't catch her. And Amazing Grace get on the case.
Amazing Gracie solved the
And
case.
solve it. So if she work with me, she can find out.
Okay.
Or we can stop.
Amazing Gracie.
Yeah.
Detective.
She's a detective.
All right.
She's a detective. She's a detective.
Mm-hmm.
She has 45 years of experience.
She has a lot of
A lot of experience.
All right.
45 experience.
Yeah.
So,
if she can solve that, I think she can help us.
yes, so there you go. You have somebody to work on the case with you.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's a great idea.
Yeah.
Amazing Gracie. I'll have to add her to my staff.
Yeah.
Pay her a salary.
Yes.
So she can
Yes, but
deal
what else are going on with the case? You did that.
Okay.
Because me still not understand.
No.
It can't them reach here.
All right, so let me stand up for a second. All right, so I'm gonna close this for me. I have two. I tried to get police here in the United States, and I didn't have any success. Okay, so I found two police in Jamaica, named Ray and Nephew, and they're on their way here right now.
They are.
Yes.
For
They're
what?
going to help us with the two airports in Jamaica.
Them are going to guard them December.
They're going to guard the two airports in December so none of Planka Boss's cakes can't leave Jamaica.
Them are come up here?
They're on their way to
my
your
house?
house right now, yes.
Away answer, so they
Yes.
won't help with out.
Yes, I'm
So a sure thing I go down in a December.
Yes.
So nothing can pass the border then.
No.
Not a damn thing can pass the border.
No.
Not a damn thing.
Nope.
Nothing can pass.
Nothing can't pass the border.
Away you said to me.
Right.
Away you said to me.
Yeah.
So them can help me.
They're going to help you. It's not that it's not if they can.
Listen to me, Biscuit. So them can free up a pallet, a cupcake were already done there in I-14.
Yes, they're going to release your pallets and make sure that everybody who ordered your cupcakes and your pallets of stuff, make sure that they get everything that they ordered.
Oh, my foot are hot, me doing a Biscuit.
Your foot's hurting you?
Yeah, me not get no sleep. Me in the kitchen, me a bake all night.
There's Ray and Nephew.
Ray and Nephew there.
Yes.
And you make us walk up and down if you know easy for you walk back and forth.
I know.
Why you never give them a ride? Let them come with you. Jesus God, man. All part of me hurt me. My body hurt me. My foot hurt me. You know what I'm saying? Not have me a walk up and down like this, Biscuit. Not have me a walk up and down like this. I feel for ball.
Don't ball. Don't ball, Master Baker. It's all going to work out. You're going to win. You're going to win. USA is going to win.
There's so much punishment it takes, so much things it takes for me just just stop import a cake and something in my country. Hi.
Hello.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Where's Neville?
Nephew? Well, it's a long story, you know.
Yeah.
Me and Nephew, last night, me and Nephew had drink some rum
Hour.
for the rum bar.
Hour.
And boy, look like he had some hangover. So
And he missed the flight?
He missed the flight. He couldn't make it.
Are you alone come?
Me alone come.
So you alone can't get to airport at Jamaica?
No, man. When we go back to Jamaica, man, I never will deal with it. You know? I never will deal with it. Man.
So you have a good flight coming here?
Why? It wasn't too good enough, you know?
What happened?
You have this man on the plane. He decides that he don't want to pay fare.
Oh, so he conductor for the plane?
Yeah.
Jesus, I've been there.
Conductor have to take him off.
That happened to me already.
Yeah.
That happened to me already.
Yeah,
but welcome to America.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, let's go.
Thank you.
Come that way, yeah.
Beautiful house.
Yeah, thank you. Now, but I make your eyes setting here. You're not staying here. You understand? No, make your eyes setting here. You're not staying here.
Okay.
Because me know say Biscuit must rent you a car. You understand?
Yeah.
So,
Yes, I did.
okay.
I rented him a car.
So nothing can agree up in yourself. You understand me? You want patrol in neighborhood till you're ready to go back to Jamaica. You know, you come up here and ride. I'm about to make it red.
I hear you, Master Baker.
Okay.
I hear you.
Find a seat and sit. You can sit down right
Where
there.
you are?
You like my palette? I'm ready enough to go down.
Where you are going there, sir?
Me I ship out my cupcake then.
Oh.
So my cupcake them go out in a cups.
Okay.
Yeah. Then I got regular like them people that was stingy
So
with the cup.
So this is what you want to protect?
Yes, I want you to protect this.
Okay.
But I want you to protect you and nephew. To protect the to guard the airport them.
Let me get that down there.
You can't have a seat.
Yeah.
You don't use the chair.
Yeah, man.
Eh? I don't use the chair.
No, you will.
Oh.
I will for standing up, you know. We must say they have state of public emergency going on there, so I will for stand up there after do, you know?
Yeah, but I don't like when people stand up over me for the
Yeah.
cupcake. Now, you understand?
Alright.
Because you pick and then sit that will fly and contaminate my cupcake.
No spit now after that is a mountain, man.
Yes. So write it down.
Alright.
Me want you and me need you and nephew.
Me and nephew.
Yeah, for guard both Norman Manley Airport and Sangster Airport. You know which part there?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
The man take away, man.
I'm at the beer, yes. No gunman that can out there.
No, sir.
Oh, okay.
He's not afraid of gunmen.
No gunman that
He's
can
good, he's good. He's top of the line police. Yeah. Top of the line police.
Biscuit, let me talk to him, man.
All right.
Yeah, Biscuit.
I think you're going to be very satisfied.
All right, Biscuit, calm down. Listen.
Yes.
Me want to know you travel with firearm or button.
You mean over here?
At Jamaica.
No.
You never walk over here?
Straight
No more Jamaica.
straight firearm, man. This is you ask me to come over here with a weapon, you know?
Oh, okay.
No, man. Firearm, man.
Firearm,
Yeah,
okay.
man.
Come and need you to stop December for Christmas time. Me no want no number cake to come through them two airport there. Make them way over here.
Yeah, no, we that. We got
Yeah,
that.
alright? And when my pallet them are come through, come I got the pallets up here, you know, and pallets at Jamaica.
Okay.
You understand? Me want control up here.
So this is a sample of the palette.
Yeah, me want control up here, and me want control Jamaica.
Okay, control
Yeah.
here.
And nothing of it, yes.
Jamaica.
And if you can talk to, you have connection with anybody in England.
England.
Yeah, England.
Yeah, man.
Me want you talk to some officers at England and shut down at the airport. There no
Right.
cake from Brixton Cake Shop.
Yeah.
Yeah, nothing of it pass through there. So whether it fit a USA, it a go or Jamaica.
Alright, so me get in touch with my brother in a Scotland Yard.
A Scotland Yard.
Yeah.
All
I
right.
tell them to lock it down.
All right.
No,
How big the yard is? I want to pay over.
No, man, I don't really want yard, man. I just saw the name.
I hope I don't
Yeah.
know the yard, you know, then sweep up the yard.
No. No, man. It's just Scotland Yard. See, like we have mobile reserve, and I just saw the name. That's the type of police there, you know?
Oh, a Scotland. Oh, a police name, yeah.
Yeah, man, a police
Okay,
man.
you're frightened me, you know.
No, man.
You're frightened me. Okay, all right.
A
So
police.
it's Scotland. Okay,
Yeah,
a
man.
police. Yes, I want them shut down all of that. But
Yeah.
you want a cupcake?
Yeah, man, me have a couple
Okay,
of
they come in no sir.
You
So
know,
I'm
you
gonna
know,
licky
you
licky, you
know,
know.
man.
I'm gonna licky licky. Here you go. Mm-hmm.
But you know, cupcake. That's a paper this man. Yo.
You know something I like on a craven ways. You know something I like on a craven ways.
Fill my cup, lad. I lift it up, lad.
Yeah. You have to have faith. You pick a faith cup. I know from the fall you know pick up one cup with cupcake in there. You have to have faith. Me teach my customer them to have faith. You understand?
I hear your Master Baker.
Yeah. And me alone, you know. Me not have no staff, you know, sister me alone.
Yeah.
I'm me alone. I have to hold on you.
Is he alone?
I'm me alone, me not have no staff like Blanca
Yeah,
Boss
doing
and Your Majesty.
You're doing a good job, man.
Of
You know,
course.
thank you.
Yeah, and I'm me alone.
Yeah.
I'm me alone.
Yeah.
Have a miracle cup. You understand?
So
Because
this is the miracle cup.
yeah, a miracle cup.
Alright.
You might pay for your cupcake,
Yeah.
but you will get the miracle cup.
Alright.
And I feel like the miracle cup better than the cupcake cup.
Okay.
You understand? Because you ask God to fill your cup.
Yeah.
And you don't know when more put in there. You understand?
That is true.
I mean, if you put sulfur because enough of my fault, they can't sue me. They can't sue me.
I hear you.
They can't sue me if you put
Yeah.
if they need a washout.
Yes.
They can't sue me. And I mean put it in there.
I know you put it.
And I mean put it in there. You
Okay,
understand?
no,
Yeah, no, yeah.
You know nothing to worry about.
Me no, someone want you know that because some of my people them act up when they get the miracle cup.
Alright.
Them greedy.
Yes.
And I said, I don't want it.
Okay.
They're ungrateful.
Yes.
They're ungrateful. You think a little bit of time it take me to put them miracle cup there together? And a little bit of
I
time.
know, because I will eat.
I will eat. And a pallet, listen
I will
out.
pallet load that cup.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? They have to have some faith.
Yeah.
Yes. So you like the idea?
Yeah, I like it.
All right, you love it. Yeah.
It's a brilliant idea,
Of
man.
course.
Mm-hmm.
Master Baker brilliant, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I think they're going to sell off when they get to Jamaica.
Of course they're going to sell off.
Yeah.
So Ray, when they get to Jamaica, when you go back to Jamaica, I need you to make sure, please ensure that Master Baker's palace that she already has in all 14 parishes, please make sure that they go to the customers who've already ordered the cakes. Yeah, we need to make sure that they get all of their orders.
Okay.
Yeah, because it seems like somebody down there is trying to hold up Master Baker from winning this year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Write that down.
Yeah.
Write that down.
Yeah, somebody's trying to hold up Master Baker from winning, so we need to make sure all her cakes
They're not
and
running-
all her
they're
cupcakes.
Not, they're not running the race.
Yeah.
No.
They're not running the race fair.
Well, don't you worry, I'm going to put a stop to that.
Put a
Yes,
stop to it.
yes,
We'll put a
yes.
stop to that.
Put a
Yes,
stop to
please,
it.
Ray,
You
please.
see that your teeth?
Mm-mm.
No, you don't need that.
No.
Them white, you know?
We're perfectly fine with them.
Them
teacher.
white. Them white.
Yeah, we know.
Them white.
Mm.
Them nice and them new.
Them too white for me.
Them new.
Mm.
Them new.
Yeah.
But just in case you're not going to get it or anything, members of Master Baker
Alright.
appear.
I'll give you a call, Master Baker.
Yeah. Them are soak.
Just in case.
May I soak them till they're ready?
Anything happen, I will give you a call.
Alright. May I soak them for you?
Alright.
Yes.
You
Yeah.
do that, man.
But yeah, that's what I want you to do.
Okay.
You hear?
Yeah.
And make sure you get Neville in line.
Level, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, make sure
Yeah, when
he's.
when I go back, I'm gonna have to give them a call and we can link up and
You can't twang.
we can link up and you know
You can't twang.
Twang?
Yeah.
Not really, you know.
Oh, okay.
This is how I talk. You
That's
know,
all you
proper
can.
English,
Okay.
yes.
Nobody not gonna take you serious.
Yeah, man. You can't give good a bad man thing if they want to, you know.
You can't go in a bad
Yeah, man.
Me like you. Me like
Yeah,
you.
man. We getting a bad man.
Me like you, but I go. Me like you, but I think you're staying here. You're not
Yes, me
staying.
not stay.
Master Baker don't make nobody stay with her. No. Master, make her hold on a second. Hold on, let her look. Let her look at something.
What are you looking for? What are you looking for, Master Baker?
Me dey on fasting. Me dey on fasting. From morning, me dey on
You're on fasting?
Yeah, me dey on fasting.
What kind of fasting are you on looking out the window?
Me have to look and see what I want.
That's not fasting.
I fasting. I
That's
fasting.
not that right. That's not the right type of fasting. Fasting, you're supposed to not eat. When was the last time you ate?
Me get up and have ackee and selfish and fried dumplings.
You ate breakfast this morning?
Yes.
How long have you been fasting for?
Me a fast from morning. Me a fast a lot this early this morning. Me a fast. Me a look through the window and I fast. Yeah.
But fasting, you're not supposed to eat.
Why me not fi eat? I drop you, want me if you drop down?
No,
You
no,
know so
no,
much
no,
cupcake
no,
me
that's
there.
what fasting is. You don't eat and you pray to God.
No.
Yes.
Because I pass you won't come find me if you pass out.
No.
Me look
no,
like
no,
somebody
no,
can
no.
stay hungry to you.
No,
want
I'm not
to.
saying that. I'm not saying that, Master Baker. That's just not the type of fasting they're talking about when they say that they're fasting.
And what kind of matter about? Cause from morning me I open the door, me I look through the window.
If they say that they're fasting for 3 days, they don't eat for 3 days.
They don't eat for 3 days.
No, no.
So what if you do with the food I'm in my fridge? Make them stay in there and quiet?
Yeah.
Eh? What if you do? What if you do with all them fruits? I'm not to eat that.
No.
All the egg.
When you're done your fasting and you're done praying to God and cleansing your body, then you eat.
Oh, my body I got cleanse. If not in there to come out.
Yeah.
Oh, it's all cleanse.
You're still gonna release the fluids that are in your body.
Fluids? I would tell us a fluid in my
Fluid
body.
and
No
fluid.
fluid not in my body. No fluid not in my body. Yeah, I pay good up steamed fish, ackee and saltfish, and them things there in my body. Yeah? Yeah, no fluid not in my body. I pay good up. Yeah. Same
You're
thing,
good
yeah?
up.
Yes, but I got asked you to help me to bring these.
Yes, I'll help you.
Got it, doc.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, well, I have to wrap them up and bring them to the dock. Let us get something, wrap them up. Yeah, I'll wrap them up and bring them to the dock. Yeah, you're going to help me wrap them up. Yeah, and bring them to the dock. Yeah, wrap them up. Yeah, we're going to send them out to the dock. Yeah. You just put it over it.
Just,
They would plastic it up when
they were plastic.
Yeah, they would plastic it
Oh,
up when we
okay,
reach there.
okay.
All
I
right,
want to make sure nothing gets on.
Right, we don't want no bingy fly flying.
No.
Yeah, we don't want no bingy fly in it. Yeah, we just need to cover it up. You're such a good lawyer, you know.
Yes.
You help me.
I think Miss Richie's going to be very pleased. You think she's going to, help
man.
us out?
Once you see them there, I done the case.
I know she loves chocolate.
Yeah, man, she loves chocolate.
Yeah.
She love that. You're smart.
I have another one.
You're smart. You're the only fool for post it in your ear.
Yeah, it was a mistake,
But me forgive you, Biscuit.
Thank you.
Because at Christmas, me
Christmas.
Christmas
Christmas is a big thing,
Yeah, at Christmas.
Yeah. Right now it's only Thanksgiving, it's just 1 or 2 sales here and there.
Yes.
Thanksgiving is no big deal.
It's no big deal.
After
A silver them I make.
Friday.
Them I make things with jingle.
Yes.
We want things with fall.
Yes.
Yeah.
We want the big paper.
Yeah, we want
money.
I pay
Paper
change.
money we want.
I pay change them I make.
Yeah, pure change.
I pay change. Yeah. I pay change because I say I don't want Chris with one whole table pan top of table with cake, But me not while him.
No.
You see this majesty? Palette we send out. You hear? Palette. And so we cupcake them not normal. They don't normal. They go out in cups. You understand? And when they finish with the cake out of the cup, they can drink out of the cup. Multi-purpose we deal with. Multi-purpose. You get more for your money. www.usaMasterBakerCakes.com. You hear, people? www.usaMasterBakerCake.com.
Yes.
Tell them Biscuit for me. Because you sound nice when you talk.
www.usaMasterBakerCakes.com.
I like how you say it.
Yes.
Yeah, you say it.
Remember, it's www.usaMasterBakerCakes.com.
You saw that them people who work on CNN.
Yeah.
I
worked there before, You
worked there before.
I did.
They fire you. You didn't mess up on your job and they fire you.
I didn't want to do the news broadcasting thing. I wanted to do the law.
The law. But you messed up on the law and posted something.
No, that was just a mistake. True, I'm young. I'm still new in the law business. I learn from my mistakes.
Okay.
Realize it's something.
Make sure you get that address right for Christmas.
I have it right. Yes.
Okay.
Go in DHL.
Me don't want me and your fall out,
DHL Express.
Me don't want them see me on CNN
no,
Master
no.
Baker beat up your attorney.
No.
You understand?
No. They're getting it.
You understand? Me
They're
don't want to
getting
fight you. Biscuit, me don't want to fight you. Me not violent.
No.
Me don't want to fight you. But if they win December, me will fight you.
No fighting.
Me will fight
We don't believe in violence.
But me will fight. If me not win December, me will fight.
I'll buy you a box.
No, but you talk like you're going to lose. I'm
not going to lose. See, I have Miss Richie Parlak. I'm not worried about Francisco. I have something for him coming too.
You have something?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna bring.
Then
something
everybody from the palette, I mean,
Francisco's
say
way, too.
every, I
Yeah.
can put on my duck with it.
Yeah.
Now, but hurt yourself,
No, don't hurt your foot any more than it's already.
Yeah, because I don't want your sue, turn on and sue me.
No.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna do
well,
that.
you should have sue other people. Yeah, sue me.
No.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to get in contact with that doctor about
my butt?
Yes.
Yeah, because my butt, I drop more further and further every time.
Yes, I see it.
Okay.
He didn't do a very good job.
All right.
We're gonna bring him down.
Okay, all right. Yeah, man, we have got duck. Yeah, we got duck. Duck we say. Yeah.
Palette we say.
Yeah, man, palette we say. All right? Yeah. All right. Ooh.